Welcome back to Chippo Outdoors. Today, I'm doing my first shots. This is a Smith & Wesson K-frame model 66-8. It's a newer version, 6-shot, 357 Magnum 38 special. Designed to shoot plus P all day, and so I got it used. It's pretty clean, pretty tight. The trigger is much nicer than I thought. Excuse me, I've been weed eating a little bit, but we're gonna do some first shots on it, and see what it gives. Today I'm just shooting just like some target ammo, soft they call it. It's 3D ammo, semi-wad cutters. It's just a lead round nose. Yeah, but anyway, that's not important. This is important. It's clean, smooth, tight. You know, it's just everything's tight. It's been shot very little. As you see in here, very little wear around here. This is a 2-piece barrel. Narrow, thin. So let's load them up and give it a try. All right. Probably will have to get a speed loader. 6 shots. And of course, we're going to have to hold it a little bit different, but let's go give it a try. First shots, 357 Combat Magnum. We're going to do I'm going to use 2-thumb grip, and we are going to use it's double action, single action. We'll be doing the double action first. Shooting high a little bit. Figure out the sights. I think that's it. First shot, Smith & Wesson 357 Combat Magnum in 4.25-inch barrel. Double action. Guess that's it. Nope. Got one more to go. All right, let's get some shots on the Model 66 357 Combat Magnum. Let's get some shots, see what we're doing. Get up high on the tank. Okay. Okay, we're going to do some shots on single action. Single action triggers much more amazing than I thought. I think I'm figuring it out. I'm sure this is it, but yep. So let's look at one flyer. Okay, after some shots with single action, double action, shooting a little high, but everything's coming together. I sort of like it. Thanks. Peace.